Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can add any websites to your iPhone home screen. So basically, if you want to have a shortcut to a website over on your iPhone home screen, then in this video I'm going to show you how you can do that. So first of all, what you need is Safari. This will only work on Safari, so make sure you head over to the Safari app. And once you've done that, you can literally choose any website you want. It doesn't really matter which one. I'm just going to choose Wikipedia. Now, in order to make a shortcut for it to our home screen, what we do is click in the middle at the bottom of our screen at that share icon basically. And once you've done that, just scroll a bit down right here till it says add to home screen, where you can simply click on. Then right here you can change the URL where you want to lead it to, and you can also change your name. And once you're done with that, just click on add, just like this, and then you will notice that you just got that shortcut. When you right now click on it, you will notice it will automatically bring you to Wikipedia. And yeah, that's basically all you need to do in order to make a shortcut over on your iPhone for a website. So yeah, I click on it and it automatically starts Wikipedia. And yeah, that's literally all you need to do. So if you learned something from this video, then please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.